Hey guys, it's Sari with Shelf Genie, and it was nice meeting you this morning. So I put together a quick YouTube video so you can get a better idea of how great Shelf Genie is going to look in your kitchen and also in your pantry. So we'll start with the far left of your dishwasher. On the bottom, we'll go ahead and do a 2.5 inch high glide out that will fully extend and you have full clearance to pick everything up. And then above it, we'll go ahead and do another 2.5 inch. And just as a reminder, we keep that shelf in for support. So if you have 100 pounds of weight, they're not going to flip over. And then the far right, we'll go ahead and do a 2.5 inch and a 2.5 inch. And then we'll look over to the sink, the left of your dishwasher. We'll go ahead and do a 2.5 inch and a 2.5 inch. And then to the right side underneath your sink, we'll do a 2.5 inch. And this is that independent riser where it will slope and you can put your SOS pads, your detergents, your gloves, whatever you need there. Then we'll look over at the blind corner. And so what will happen? Well, this will fully extend and then the top will come out. So you have full access and then you stand here and this comes over. So you still have access back here, and also you have access back here where if you want to put like a roasting pot or a platter or smaller items and just use that for storage area. And then we'll look at your pantry, and I quoted removing everything. So what we'll do is we'll install wood shelving and start right above the baseboard, get everything off the floor, and we'll do a 5 inch height glide out that will fully extend. And this is where you can put your cleaning supplies, water bottles, whatever you need. And then a 2.5 inch for your storage and another 2.5 inch. And then we'll go ahead and do 2 shelves for you. So that is your Shelf Genie project. I priced out the Classic, which is a lifetime warranty, and all of our glide outs hold up to 100 pounds. So in the email, it will have all that information. And if you have any questions, you can feel free to call me at 770-380-2499. All right, you guys have a great night. Take care, and I look forward to working with you. Bye.